Hi, I'm Jason Tiedick, and I help people conquer their fear of public speaking and deliver amazing presentations. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your public speaking to a whole nother level. 100% online, 100% guaranteed. Public speaking is deceptively hard to do. Speaking in front of people can cause anxiety, paralysis, and doubt. You might show nervousness, forget your lines, or become boring. Even when you prepare over and over again, people stop listening to you, or your relationships suffer because of it. I'm going to show you how to engage your audience emotionally, how to spread your ideas, how to create stronger relationships with your team, customers, and investors, and go for bigger conferences. You'll learn how to give a presentation so engaging, so relatable, so powerful that you start to earn the kind of trust and create the kind of value that will make you more money, give you more respect, and transform your talks from just okay, or even good, to amazing. There's a lot of distractions out there. We've all heard the cliches like picture your audience, wing it, use props or index cards, have a great PowerPoint show, or you're just born with it. What most of us don't realize is how these myths of public speaking become monsters and drastically hold so many of us back. And not just when it's time for a presentation or a speech. You see, great speakers aren't just born, they're made. And not all great speakers need to perform to be great. Sure, some are performers, but others are inspirers, fascinators, energizers. If you're trying to be somebody else up there, how are you going to genuinely connect with your audience? When you learn to be yourself, you start to see presentation magic happen. For example, it turns out people don't laugh when something's funny. They laugh when they feel good, and they don't feel good until they feel safe with you. That's when they start to listen. When you're one of the few that genuinely knows how to speak like the masters, you can truly change your situation. You can make an amazing connection, and that changes everything. You become an elite public speaker, and when you do, it will open doors for you. When you master rule the room, several big shifts take place. You connect with people in a new and more consistent way. I will reveal the underlying emotional reasons why they want to listen to you. You'll learn to create an immediate and powerful impression with people just by the way you stand in the right place, work the room with your body, and use your words and your voice to project a calm and a confidence under any circumstance. And here's one big rule the room secret. So lean in and listen closely. It's not about you. It's about them, your audience. Ruling the room means keeping them so engaged, so excited, so focused in on you that they laugh when you need them to, they cry when you want them to, and they feel your presentation was designed exactly for them. Whether you're looking to connect with your coworkers or clients, your team or tribe, sell out a stadium, or attract investments, Rule the Room will take your public speaking to another level. For years, people have been telling me they feel an exhilaration they've never experienced before once they've learned how to rule the room. Imagine people packing the house to listen to you, lining up just to get a brief moment with you, and craving what you have to say with such a passion that they offer to pay whatever it takes to have you come speak to them. Just doing an okay job isn't anything special. We don't help you become an okay presenter. We help you become an amazing public speaker. Once you've mastered Rule the Room public speaking, it will change the game for you. It will change the course of your life. You'll be more dynamic, more attractive, more successful, and you'll have more happiness and freedom to dream big and actually accomplish what you were meant to do. I will take your public speaking to another level. 100% online, 100% guaranteed. I've changed the game for thousands of speakers before you, and now it's your turn to rule the room.